Ever wondered how to get IPTV channels on your Apple TV effortlessly without a hitch? Stick with us as we unravel the simple steps to turn your Apple TV into a streaming hub. First, ensure your Apple TV is updated to the latest version for optimal compatibility and performance. Next, explore the App Store to download a compatible IPTV application tailored for Apple TV devices. Opt for reliable apps such as IPTV Smarters or engage in research for user-recommended choices. Success ensures your IPTV service provider delivers quality content coupled with seamless integration. Make sure to set up the IPTV app with the correct credentials and configuration settings for use. Seeking trustworthy sources. We highly recommend exploring options at 2tv.store for exceptional service. After configuration, refresh your app to see your channel list, ready to redefine your viewing pleasure. Navigate through your new channels using the intuitive interface. Marvel at the variety now available. Encounter any quirks? Double-check your settings or reach out to customer support for the provider's help. Allow some time for perfection, as streaming smoothness improves post-setup after some initial configurations. Enjoy an expansive world of entertainment, ready at your fingertips with barely any buffering involved. Still uncertain? Visit 2tv.store, where you'll find all solutions including quality and diverse channels. Thanks for watching. We wish you an unparalleled viewing experience with IPTV on your Apple TV. Subscribe for more tech advice and transform your home entertainment beyond imagination.